Welcome to another food review. Now today I'm at Dixy's. This Dixy is located on Coventry Road in the Milesons. Well, not in the Milesons, but you know what I mean. And in my opinion, this is the best Dixy's because every time me and my missus come here, the food that we get served, it is piping hot. Chicken is piping hot, it is steaming, the chips, everything is just piping hot and fresh. So that's why I love coming here. Now today we've ordered the 2 Supreme Burger meals, which are our regulars, and we've ordered some jalapeno cheesy bites as well to go with that. So we're going to be doing the food review at the Dixy's and showing you the freshness. I'm going to show you how fresh the food is here, and trust me, you will not be disappointed. I'm not here comparing other Dixy's, I'm not here bad mouthing other places, but this Dixy's does the freshest food you can get. Guys, I'm going to start with the burger first. Now this is the Supreme Burger with the chicken and the hash brown, and you can see it's piping hot. Oi, 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 oi. I am hungry, so I'm gonna drop some sauce on there. That is dribbling. Can you see that? The steam. That is fresh. Let's put some more sauce. That is the hottest and the freshest burger you're gonna get anywhere. Chips. Let's try these jalapeno bites. Cheesy jalapenos. Oi, 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 oi. Where the fuck? Everything is just piping hot. You know, piping hot. The mango. I think 2 weeks ago we went to Dixy's in where did we go? U3.
Yeah.
The food was cold, man. It's cold in it.
Yes.
This is the one, cause look at that. Big bite I go on. Oi, oi, oi. The oi, 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 it's back. It's back, baby. Do you agree this is the best Dixy's? I think we need to start going and trying different Dixy's. Even the chips here, they're quite thick, isn't it? Thick chips. The burger's just juicy, juicy. Jalapeno bites, man. This is something else. I've never had jalapeno cheesy bites before like this.
That's different.
She likes it. She likes it, baby. 2 meals, Supreme meals, jalapeno bites, £16, can't go wrong. I like it. I've had a few other dishes. I think the other Dixy on Ladywood Road, that's good. You know, obviously everyone has their own way of doing things. But in my opinion, if you want fresh food, hot food, served to you hot, it's the Dixy's on Country Road. You know, we've got the Simmels season going on. You guys really enjoying that, getting good views, good likes on that. So make sure to like, share, subscribe. I've got food reviews for you coming up. I've got a Dixy in Castle Bromwich who has got in touch with me and he's saying that I need to come down and try his spicy dip burger. So I'm going to be taking you there as well and trying the spicy dip burger there. Make sure to like, share, subscribe. And you know what we're doing, boys. You know what we're doing. I'm going to see you on the next vlog.